Okay, we're back. And so let's get started. Law of attraction. By definition, the law of attraction is an attractive magnetic power of the universe that manifests through everyone and everything. Ideas, people, situations, circumstances, and even what you think about. The law of attraction is basically like attracting like, but even deeper, it's focusing on what you're focused on. We have something that's called cliches, and one of the cliches that we argue with is when people say, you are what you think about. Well, the truth is, it's bigger than our thoughts when you look at the law of attraction. This subject is so compelling to me that I'm thinking about starting a separate YouTube page devoted strictly to the law of attraction, manifestation, and daily meditations that could lead us to a greater level of overflow. What we have to address is something called the paradigm. The paradigm is formed at birth. If you're born into poverty, raised into poverty, then most likely you're programmed for poverty. If you're born into riches, raised into riches, likely that you'll be paradigmed for riches. Paradigm is the subconscious mind. As a baby, we have no conscious yet, so we're operating in our subconscious mind. It's the reason 4-year-olds can know from 3 to 5 languages, and there are some who do. One of the most powerful things for me, and I'm currently working on it right now, is that repetition. Repetition is how you correct the paradigm. You can't make the what you want come into play just by what you think. You can say, I think I'm not going to be poor anymore. But that paradigm that's been hardwired has to have someone go into that brain and rewire it. And that happens through repetition. What you want is what you claim, is what you speak on, is what you prepare for. The late, great Maya Angelou said, ask for what you want and be prepared to get it. Be prepared to get it. One of the things that some of my mentors teach is go drive the car that you want to have. Regardless of if you can afford it now, if that's really what you want, you need to know you want that thing. I shouldn't just fantasize about the new Kia Telluride. I should be on the lot test driving it. Why am I asking for an Optima when I know in my mind I want to manifest that Telluride? Why am I asking for the minimal when I know in my mind I can achieve that mansion? The money's there. The better life is there. The better circumstances are there. But we've got work to do. And part of that repetition is what I'm going to speak on next week. The affirmations, the meditations, and the mantras. I have a lot to get done this weekend, but if possible, I can bring that to you before the weekend's up. But that will be the next episode. Affirmations, meditations, and mantras. For now, go back to my episode 1, The Power of the I Am, and let that begin your repetitions. And we'll talk more in the next episode. Namaste.